Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log in to Cedars-Sinai Patient Portal. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in Cedars-Sinai Patient Login or Cedars-Sinai Login. That is Cedars-Sinai Login. Tap on the first link saying My CS Link Login Page. Here you'll have to enter your My CS Link username along with your password and then hit Login. If you have not signed up, then simply hit sign up at the Here you'll have to enter your activation code provided to you by a hospital during your doctor visit or your testing. If you do not have an activation code and this is the first time that you're logging into the hospital site, simply tap on sign up with your information. Here you'll have to fill in your information and then you'll have to sign up. After signing up and logging in, you'll be able to access your doctor appointments and your test reports. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.